Hello, and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So on Monday, we defined this Fibonacci support area between $3,174 and $3,414 here on our short-term chart for Ethereum. I mean, to be honest, not much happened this week, right? We pushed a little higher into the Monday highs, really just overnight, Sunday to Monday. And then we started a pullback on Monday, which lasted into the Tuesday, Wednesday lows. And then this is when I made the video, like late yesterday or early in the morning today, however you want to see it. And I shared with you again, just reminded you of that support area, showed you that we had now reached support. And the parameters haven't really changed, but the price got rejected at this resistance level, which is the 100% Fibonacci extension at $3,638. So this is a standard resistance area, typically relevant in a corrective bounce. So I'm talking about the bounce from the Tuesday, the 4th of November low. And then we started obviously that pullback and the price landed in the support zone. It's quite a weak pullback though for a B wave, but valid. So I will not rule out something like this, you know, that we're just simply extending this B wave. I explained that late yesterday as well in the Bitcoin video. This would be absolutely possible, but is not needed. And if we get a break back above that pivot, above our blue line at $3,638, then I think we have further confirmation that the market is on its way to test the upper boundary line of our trend channel. This is a corrective price channel, a trend channel, which basically started here with this swing low in September. We have several touch points here. It's not very well defined, but it helps us understand some additional structural resistance and support parameters. And so it's currently coming in this trend line around $3,850. And if we break above it, the $4,000 level is next. That is Fibonacci resistance. And this is the area which would need to be broken to really unlock prices then in the all-time high area. Next one would be $4,400 and then $4,900. But let's first see if we can actually find support. I mean, the reaction to the Fibonacci support zone is already somewhat promising. We see some upside momentum here, but nothing major today. Like we are still in the range of the week, you could say, because we haven't broken support and we haven't broken above not even the very first resistance here, which was relevant already on Monday. So, I mean, the overall idea is as long as we don't get a 5-wave move down, which we haven't seen, and as long as we don't get a break below $3,174, we could still grind a little higher in a more extended B wave, which obviously at the same time keeps the door open for a direct breakout to the upside. But the options and the scenarios and the probabilities for a direct breakout to the upside, they will reduce with a break below 3,174, and then we are likely aiming for another low if that happens, right? Bottom line is I still see only corrective price action to the upside, very, very weak upside momentum. Nothing too exciting. Obviously, we're here on the smaller time frame, also to help you understand the micro patterns, but honestly, not so much happened. I have a 3-wave move down, which does keep the door open for higher, but at this point, another test of support also cannot be ruled out. The parameters should be very clear, both support and resistance, and we continue to be ranging at the moment, and the market continues to follow corrective structures. So I think it's still important to be on the side of caution. We have to have patience. But we're here anyway. I keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out our membership. Also feel free to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. Sometimes updates are to be found here a little earlier than on YouTube, for example. So I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.